There's a helicopter flying around somewhere. There's no way it's construction because it's getting closer too. Holy shit. It could be construction. I was trying to say no way, but... Son of a bitch got loud. Oh yeah, you know what?